Hello everyone. In class 12 final board exam, objective questions of 20 marks are being asked from 2019 and 20. Majority of these questions are MCQs. You may find this section very tricky, difficult and confusing to solve. So what is the solution? Actually, MCQs are mostly based on the important topics of your respective subject. So just practice to solve few MCQs frequently and try to understand basic ideas related with important topics. This will make your mind capable to solve any problem with confidence and without any confusion. Good news for you, our team is going to present a series of MCQs for class 12 from NCERT book. All you need to do is just try to solve them. We will give explanation of each answer to develop your understanding and help you to score high. Here we are going to discuss 5 important multiple choice questions from chapter 1 Bricks, Beads and Bones from NCERT book of class 12th history part 1. It is based on the topic the Harappan seals, scripts and weights. So let's start. Question number 1. The Harappan seal was made of which type of stone? And options are A. Shell, B. Steatite, C. Carnelian and D. Chert. Here the correct answer is option B, Steatite. Now let's understand that why Steatite is correct option of this question. Actually, Harappan seal was made of Steatite stone. It was a soft type of stone that was traded by Harappans from Rajasthan and Gujarat. Here you can see an image of Steatite stone. Shell and carnelian stones were used by craft persons for jewelry making, while chert stone was used for making of weights. So the correct answer is Steatite stone. Question number 2. Which of the following statements are true about the Harappan seals? Options A. Seals often contain animal motifs and signs. B. Seals were used to facilitate long-distance communication. C. Seals conveyed the identity of the senders of the goods in trade. And D. All of the above. Here the correct answer is option D. All of the above. Let's see reason of this option. As we already know that Harappan seal was made of Steatite stone. Seals often contain animal motifs and sign from a script that is still undeciphered. Here in an image of Harappan seal, you can see animal motifs and scripts. Seal were used to facilitate long distance communication. It was also used to convey the identity of the sender of trade goods. So in this question, all options are correct. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not true about the features of Harappan inscriptions and script? Options A. Most inscriptions are short. B. The longest inscription contain about 26 signs. C. The script was written from left to right. And D. The script was pictographic. Here the correct answer is option C. The script was written from left to right. So let's understand. Most Harappan inscriptions are short. The longest inscription contains about 26 signs. Harappan script was pictographic. Here you can see Harappan pictographic script. The script was written from right to left, as some seals show a wider spacing on the right and cramping on the left. Question number 4. Which stone was used by Harappans for weights? Options are A. Lapis lazuli, B. Carnelian, C. Steatite and D. Chert. Here the correct answer is option D. Chert. Let's understand. Lapis lazuli and carnelian were high-valued stones that was used by Harappan craftsmen for making of jewelry. Here you can see image of chert stone. Steatite was used for seals, while chert was used for making of weights. So the correct answer is chert stone. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not true about the Harappan weights? Options A. Weights were generally square-shaped with marking on it. B. Lower denominations of weight were binary. C. The higher denominations followed the decimal system. D. None of these. And here the correct answer is option A. Weights were generally square shaped with marking on it. Let's understand. As we already know, weights were usually made of a stone that was called chert. Shape of weights used by Harappans were generally cubical with no marking on it. Here you can see image of Harappan weight that is cubical in shape and there is no marking on it. Lower denomination of weights were binary, while the higher denominations followed by the decimal system. So these were 5 important MCQs with explanation of its correct answer. I hope this will help you to understand these topics well. So you keep practicing to solve these questions and score high. One practice question is also given here. You can try to solve it and write the correct answer in comments. So the question is, Harappans used to trade statite stone from which of the following places? And options are A. Afghanistan, B. Rajasthan, C. Oman, D. Gujarat. So everyone, try to solve this question and write the correct answer. Soon I will be present with MCQs of another important topics. Till then, goodbye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.